Okay, let's look at how to take a peek at lock screen notifications, the OG or Duo 1. And there are your notifications. Okay, now we'll take a look at Duo 2, Duo 2021, whatever you want to call it. And here are your lock screen notifications on that device. Hi, and thanks for coming to watch this video. It's another effort to try to help you, a Duo user. And in this episode, if we want to call them episodes, we're going to talk about lock screen notifications on your Duos. Your Duo 1 or OG and your Duo 2. I thought about doing this one today because of a question that I saw on Reddit, and I've seen this before, and people seem to think that it's a feature of this version of Duo and not of this version. So that led to two things. I want to show people how to use it on the Duo 2 and also kind of clear up a little bit of misunderstanding of the two devices. And that misunderstanding is that these are not Duo features, these are Android features. Android 10, Android 11 currently. And as you will learn through a lot of what I'm going to go through, not this video, but all the videos, is going to be to try to teach you a little bit about what's really under the hood of a Duo, and that is Android. And Microsoft does very little modification to Android. So what you see is real close to I don't want to say it's a stock version of Android, but it's a very lightly modified version of Android. So sit back, watch how to turn on lock screen notifications, and also add a little bit of security to those lock screen notifications. Okay, let's look at lock screen notifications. We're going to see how to turn them on and off and to add a little bit of security. So first thing we need to do is we need to go to the settings, and then I'll use my pen so maybe you can see things a little better. You want to go to apps and notifications, then you want to go to notifications, and then you want to scroll down just a little bit and you will see lock screen and some settings for lock screen. And here you see notifications on lock screen. So you need to make sure that you have show all notification content selected. If you don't want to show any notifications at all, then don't show notifications at all. Should be selected. The next thing is sensitive content. You want to turn that off so that someone cannot get your device and then open it up and at least see a notification. Let's say a two-factor authentication code as an example that maybe got sent and it's shown on your notification screen. I don't know if it would show up if I did not have that selected, because you only get a few things shown, but since it's potentially the most recent thing that was sent, it could be. So you want to turn that off, I think, in most all situations. With those settings, you will now have peak lock screen notifications. Okay, I hope you found that useful. If you did, thumbs ups are really good, and share it with other people. Let other people know if they need some help. That's what I'm here to do, which means, hey, you can share the video, but also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Give me some comments down below. Thank you.